Step 4. Now, you can see everything is wiggly like a loose tooth. So you can see if you lift up and remove this, move this up and lift up here. If you lift up on where all these bolts were, everything is kind of wiggly like a loose tooth. So now I'm going to pull the grill out. The first time I did it, I was being too gentle, but it takes a little bit of a tug. Okay, so I just wanted to show you what was holding the grill in. So you had a tab and 2 screws in the middle, and then a tab, and then this was attached there. That's where I had to do the tugging, and then this was attached there. And then once you tug it a little bit, it comes right out. Alright, just an observation, when I pulled out the grill, this little piece right here, this little black plastic piece, it came out of the light attachment, and on this side it did not. So when I remove this headlight, I'm going to get this out and put it back on this side like it is on this side.